When you're considering buying church management software, there are several things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, we'll dive into the 12 key things you should be aware of before buying Realm and how it compares to other popular solutions out there. First, Realm offers an integrated system that combines your church's administration, communication, and financial tools into one platform. It's designed to help churches streamline operations and enhance engagement. However, when compared to competitors like Planning Center or Church Community Builder, Realm's user interface can feel a bit dated, which may be a drawback for those looking for something more modern and visually intuitive. Next, Realm stands out for its strong mobile capabilities. Members can update their contact info, register for events, and even give donations all from their phones. But, while this is a great feature, some competitors offer more customizable mobile apps, making Realm feel more limited in terms of personal branding and design. The third thing you need to know is that Realm's financial tools are robust. You can track donations, manage pledges, and even generate reports directly from the platform. However, it's worth noting that for more advanced accounting features, it might not be as powerful as other solutions like Breeze, which offer deeper integrations with external accounting systems. The fourth thing to consider is Realm's ease of use. It's generally user-friendly, but some users report a bit of a learning curve due to its multiple features. If you need something quick to implement, you might find competitors like Tithe.ly or ChurchTrack simpler to get started with. Next, Realm offers excellent integration with QuickBooks, which is a plus for financial management. However, if you need a more comprehensive CRM system or additional integrations, you might find other platforms like Fellowship One have a broader range of connections to third-party tools. The sixth thing to keep in mind is that Realm supports a wide range of event management features, such as event registration and volunteer scheduling. However, some other software like Planning Center may offer more advanced event tracking and reporting, making it a better choice for large-scale events. The seventh point is Realm's communication tools, which include group messaging and email capabilities. While useful, some users find the messaging features less polished compared to specialized platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact, which are better suited for more complex campaigns. The eighth thing to consider is Realm's pricing. It's relatively affordable for smaller churches, but it can get expensive as you scale up, especially if you need premium features or additional users. Competitors like Church Community Builder or Planning Center offer flexible pricing that might be more suited to growing churches. Next, Realm provides excellent volunteer management tools, allowing you to schedule volunteers and track service hours. However, if volunteer engagement is a priority for you, other systems like Breeze or ChurchTrack offer more detailed tracking and communication features for volunteers. The 10th point is about Realm's reporting capabilities. It's equipped with a solid set of reports for tracking finances and attendance, but it may fall short when compared to competitors like Fellowship One, which offers more customizable and in-depth reporting options. The 11th thing you should know is that Realm's customer support is generally well regarded, but some users have reported delays during high-demand periods. If responsive customer service is a priority for you, it's worth checking out alternatives like Tithe.ly, which has built a reputation for quick and helpful support. Finally, Realm does offer a mobile giving option, which is becoming a must-have feature for churches. However, it's not as feature-rich as other platforms that specialize in donation processing, like Givelify, which may provide more options and better tracking for donors. In conclusion, Realm is a solid church management software that could work well for your church, but there are some areas where it might not stand up as well to competitors. If you want something more tailored to your needs, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.